MACD signals but no clear direction? What if trend and momentum agreed before you enter? This is the MACD plus half-trend Forex trading strategy, combining momentum timing with clear trend direction. It uses two indicators: half-trend indicator to define the trend, MACD to confirm momentum. Buy setup. Half-trend turns bullish color and plots below price. MACD histogram moves above zero, or MACD line crosses upward. A bullish candle closes after both confirmations. Enter a buy at candle close. This confirms an upward trend with momentum. Sell setup. Half-trend turns bearish color and plots above price. MACD histogram moves below zero, or MACD line crosses downward. A bearish candle closes after confirmation. Enter a sell on candle close. This confirms bearish trend strength. Trend first, momentum second. Avoid trading during flat markets. Place your stop loss beyond the half-trend line and aim for a minimum 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. If you want clearer MACD trades with fewer false signals, this strategy delivers. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators and templates and start trading smarter today.